What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option flight mode. Now here you can turn on or off your flight mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your flight mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth setting. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.